Hey guys, my name is Jason Garcia and today I'm here to talk to you guys about my daily routine between Monday to Friday. I usually get up at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. Then by 6, I take shower, around 6:20 get dressed, have breakfast at 6:50, start working at 7 a.m., take a break around 9:40 until 10:20, get back to work. Then I have lunch at 4:30. After lunch, I take a nap for about like an hour. Then take a shower again, dress up, get back to work until 6 p.m. After I finish my online job, I have some rest, then take a shower, and I always go to my girlfriend's house around 7, stay there until 10 p.m. Get back, watch TV, and then go to sleep. Sundays is about to show up here, and Saturday I always get up at 8 a.m., stay in bed until 10. Get up, take a shower, have breakfast, start working on my school duties until 2 p.m. After that, have lunch, then take a nap until 4 p.m. Get up, take a shower, go to my girl's house, and then stay there until 11 p.m. Get back home, watch TV, and sleep until the next day. On Sundays I get up at 8 a.m., take a shower, have breakfast. I go to the stadium and play soccer for about 2 hours. Watch some other soccer matches. By 2 p.m. I have my lunch at my girlfriend's house, spend time with her. Around 10 p.m. get back home, get everything ready for Monday, and start everything all over again. Thank you very much, and you guys have a blessed day.